1. Wearable health technology. 1. Top 5 wearable devices for 2024. Compare fitness trackers, smartwatches, and medical devices like glucose monitors. 2. Future of wearables. Discuss how wearables could revolutionize healthcare, e.g., continuous monitoring and AI integration. 2. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. 1. AI tools in diagnosis. Showcase how AI helps diagnose diseases like cancer, heart disease, or Alzheimer's. 2. Chatbots for health queries. Explain how AI-powered chatbots provide instant medical advice and support. 3. AI's role in personalized medicine. Discuss how AI creates tailored treatments based on genetic data. 3. Telemedicine. 1. What is telemedicine? 1. Explain how virtual doctor visits work and their advantages. 2. Best telemedicine apps for 2024. Review apps and platforms offering online consultations. 3. Challenges in telemedicine. Address privacy, accessibility, and the human touch in healthcare. 4. Digital therapeutics, DTX. 1. What is digital therapeutics? 1. Highlight apps or programs prescribed for managing chronic diseases like diabetes and depression. 2. Case studies in DTX success. Share stories of patients who benefited from these programs. 5. Genomics and personalized medicine. 1. What is genomics? 1. Explain how studying genes can lead to personalized treatments for diseases. 2. CRISPR and gene editing. Simplify complex concepts like gene editing and their potential to cure genetic diseases. 3. DNA testing kits. Review popular kits like 23andMe and discuss how they work. 6. Health apps and gamification. 1. Best health apps for 2024. Highlight apps for fitness, nutrition, and mental health. 2. How gamification improves health. Showcase apps or games that make exercise and healthy habits fun. 7. Robotic surgery. 1. How robots assist surgeons. Explain robotic systems like Da Vinci surgical system. 2. Advantages of robotic surgery. Focus on precision, smaller incisions, and faster recovery times. 8. Advancements in medical devices. 1. Innovative devices for home use. Review devices like portable ECG machines, blood oxygen monitors, or smart thermometers. 2. 3D printing in healthcare. Discuss how 3D printed organs or prosthetics are transforming lives. 9. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. 1. VR in pain management. Explain how VR helps reduce pain in patients undergoing medical procedures. 2. AR in medical training. Show examples of AR tools that train surgeons and medical students. 10. Healthcare and blockchain technology. 1. What is blockchain in healthcare? 1. Simplify how blockchain improves patient record security and transparency. 2. Blockchain for drug supply chain. Explain how it combats counterfeit drugs. 11. Mental health tech. 1. AI for mental health. Review apps that use AI to detect and manage mental health conditions. 2. Virtual reality therapy. Explain how VR helps treat anxiety, PTSD, or phobias. 12. Green healthcare innovations. 1. Sustainable hospitals. Highlight eco-friendly healthcare facilities. 2. Biodegradable medical products. Discuss new products reducing environmental impact.